guys, it's Riley,
Maddie,
and today we're going to be making some slime. So I have my slime bowl with a slime bowl on it, and then I have some Tide, some cucumber melon lotion,
and some glue.
and some Elmer's glue. And then I also have this blue food coloring and a spoon. My face is getting covered with the Tide. Anyway, alright, so...
And my face is getting covered with this.
we're gonna start the video. Yay! Alright, let's start it.
So,
What you're gonna do, you're gonna take a slime, and then you're going to pour it in there. I'm gonna do that much, not a lot, because
it looks like a unicorn horn.
yeah. Katie's playing with her slime that I just made for her. And then we're gonna take the food coloring.
It's really sticky. I want it really blue.
I'm gonna make it up blue so I can't.
But that food coloring won't work.
Alright. So we're gonna let the food coloring sit a little bit. So that way it can go to the top.
We'll probably add it at the end.
Probably we'll add it like in the middle after.
Hey, I wanted to
I'm
add
gonna
that.
add some lotion, then he's gonna add some lotion.
That makes it really sticky though.
Okay, that's enough. And then it's enough. Unless you want it really sticky.
Yeah,
Like mine smell like Sour Patch Kids. It like literally smells like Sour Patch Kids. So we're gonna want to mix it all in.
I think I need a little bit more Tide in mine. Riley, I think I need a little bit more Tide in mine.
No, you don't.
Really?
There's,
I think there's some up there.
All right, and then we're gonna mix the food coloring.
Now let's hope it works. Why can't I just have white slime?
Because I don't want to have that.
Won't work. You only get some different food coloring from up there.
All right, so we decided instead of blue, we're gonna use orange. Here.
Hey, I thought this was new.
It's
It
fine,
looks
just
like it has
use it.
an open. Let's look.
Use it. Let's put it in. All right, that's enough.
I'm gonna make it red. Let me see. Probably. Maddie, yours is called pumpkin slime. Mine's called blueberry slime.
Slime.
No, mine's called orangey. Maddie, do you think I need a little bit more Tide? Because look, Maddie, I'm sticky. Tide makes it sticky, right? No, lotion does.
What does?
Lotion makes it sticky. Here, put some lotion in it.
Add more. Do you want to be more orange?
I know, I do it so long.
The speakers right there. Alright, so now that we got an orange color,
And then I got some orange on my
it's really orange.
And my finger's really orange.
I'm going to
My finger's really orange.
add some
Add some of mine.
add some Tide. So
Can I do it? Hey, I can add some Tide to mine.
Tide's already done for yours, Cadence.
It's really sticky though.
All right,
Can I
man.
pour some?
Pour some Tide in hers. Pour a bunch of that in Katie.
No, that's enough.
Tide makes white slime be blue, so I don't know what it would do on this.
This?
Yes, it makes blue. So add some more orange.
We'll keep adding more.
Just add a bunch more. Alright, this is good.
Need more? Or Tide?
Yeah. Just dump it.
No, the whole thing?
No. Fine.
Oh, there. Look, a kitty cat. Well, you cannot see him, but look, a kitty cat.
He's bare.
Yeah,
Tidy.
butt. He's butthead.
I think he heard it.
Sorry, bear. He. I get into that. I get my own. We really have a lot of slime.
Can we do many shows them or something while I'm mixing this? Go grab a bunch
Let
of
me
slime.
just add the rest.
Dump it all.
Okay. Well, I don't know where some of the slime is. Down there, you see mine. It's like mine's right there. So we have mine. Look how not sticky it's not hit anymore. Mine makes. Look, that's sticky.
Can you not find any orange slime? Oh, yeah, we made magnet.
Oh, I'm not finding Katie or my magnetic.
Girl Scouts, we made magnetic slime.
Yeah, I'm really finding yours. It's not like that sticky. But it's not, the slime's not that sticky. It's easy to get off my hand.
It's because it's connectable.
Help!
Okay, that's a lot of slime.
Like 4 things of slime.
Pour it all in. It's a lot of Tide.
And
enough. Or I end up getting it on.
so, okay. So, this is Mr. Galogust. Mr. Galogust.
That's also our fail slime.
Mr. Galogust. Yeah, we name our slimes.
No, we don't.
I name them. I name them.
No, I got it on my cheek.
This is Mrs. Bluey. Greeny. Mr. Blue.
That's my sleep slime.
Oh, it smells so
And
good.
Sarah sleep.
Yeah. Yeah, but I named it Mystic. Oh, we already done the field. This is mine and my sister's slime. Wow, this is really hard. Oh, Riley, really hard. Riley,
You added too much.
too much what?
Tide.
On what, that?
Yes, it's too sticky. It's too watery.
Riley, we
Don't care.
This slime is called Mystic Timbers Purple Slime. That's my slime. No, it's mine. Mystic Timbers Purple Slime. What? That's the only name I can come up with this slime.
It's King's Island, Daddy.
Yeah,
There's a guy
Thursday
called
we
Mystic
went
Timbers
to
at King's Island.
Yeah, Thursday we went to King's Island. And then this is Katie's slime.
And that is why we didn't film. No, because we went to our grandparents. That's why we didn't film yesterday.
Yeah.
Did I already do this one?
No, you did not do the magnetic slime.
I need another spoon.
Riley!
I broke it. The spoon came off.
Where is it?
Sort of, kind of.
Maddie, yours is
If any more spoons break.
Missing.
If any more spoons break. Here you go.
Stop it. Stop it. Stop it.
Dude, I'm trying to get the slime off. Should I get my fingers away? 2 fingers there.
Yeah, I'm not using it. Alright.
Clear it out. So this is Riley magnetic slime.
Did they see your last name?
No, there's. Okay, now that's Bear.
It's not recording.
Yes, it is.
Oh. Sorry. Well, okay, so this slime is turning out a little better than
I just dropped it.
it was. So now, this is what it looks like.
Let me see. Slime? Have a.
Let me see that.
No.
Can I see? Can I feel it?
No, it's mine.
No,
It's mine. So it's not mine?
it is yours.
No.
But I'm just, find a container.
Oh, there's a container. I know what one it is.
Is it like,
Oh, it's not empty.
I don't think it will, but find 2 of those.
2?
Over in the cabinet, I was like, will it fit in Wendy's? And Wendy's like, we'll get 2 of those. So I got 2. Make sure you don't break that spoon.
It's really, really good.
That's what I just said.
It's called pumpkins.
Ah, that's fine.
Mine's
I
called
put
blue.
pumpkin seeds in it.
Smells like. Close this. Get that out of the camera roll. Dude, can we hurry up?
Alright. I guess this is the end. Stop it, stop it. It's sticky. This is the end. And I don't think that I can do anything. So make sure you like them, and comment down
Hey,
below
can I do that?
what your favorite color is, and if you want, and if it was in a slime.
Wait, can I do World Cup things with you? If my hands are not on.
So we've decided that we are going to stop the video, and see you next weekend. I mean next Friday. Or next Saturday, I don't know. Saturdays. We post every Friday.
Or Saturday.
And yeah.
Or
Did
Saturday.
you watch my last week's video?
It was our room tour.
Yeah.
think
Bailey.
Yeah, with Bailey.
Our puppy.
Copy Bailey. Okay,
And yeah.
3, 2, 1, we do our, you have to put your hands up.
Ow!